Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Ayan. You look fresh today.
Thank you. I woke up early today.
That's nice. Waking up early is a good habit.
Yes, it gives positive energy.
What do you do first in the morning?
First, I make my bed. Then I'll brush my teeth and pray.
That's very disciplined. Have you eaten your breakfast?
Yes, I had a simple breakfast: bread, eggs, and milk.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
That's good. Breakfast gives us energy for the day.
What about you, Sarah?
I usually eat fruits and toast. I like light food in the morning.
Healthy choice.
Are you free right now?
Yes, I am free. Why?
Let's go for a short walk.
Sure. Walking is good for health.
I feel relaxed when I walk.
Me too. It clears my mind.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I try to speak English daily.
Feel nervous while speaking English?
Don't worry. Mistakes are part of learning.
Can we practice English together?
Of course. Let's start. How was your day yesterday?
My day was good but a little tiring.
What did you do in the evening?
I cooked food and watched a video.
That's nice. Try to speak slowly and clearly.
Thank you for helping me.
We learn faster when we practice together.
What do you do before sleeping?
I think about my day and plan for tomorrow.
That's a good habit.
Yes, planning saves time.
I want to improve my English.
Just speak daily, even for 10 minutes.
I will start from today.
Great. Consistency is the key.
Learning English is not difficult, we just need confidence.
Yes, and daily practice. Comment below. I will speak English daily.